Alright guys, so today is Friday, August 2nd. It is just about 9 a.m. right now. So a while back I got asked to do a little Walmart challenge, a $5 challenge. So this morning I stopped by Walmart and I picked up 3 lures. Hopefully we can get through all 3 of them on this outing. I have every intention of heading home and trying to edit this and post it this evening. I figured that whenever I have like unboxings or user or subscriber suggested challenges, that I'll upload them on a separate day. But let me show you what I got, then I'm going to get rigged up and get started. So I got one of these. I've had decent success using these in the past, so I went with this. I got this little curly tail black grub. I've never used these before, but I'm sure it just works like any other grub. So it should be able to catch fish. And I got this little rooster tail. I think for all 3 of these I paid $4.88, so just slightly under budget. I'm probably going to start with this grub at this little pool I'm at. So I'm going to get rigged up and get started. I got hit as soon as it hit the water that time. There we go. Alright, first fish. Alright, just got the first fish of the day, little green sunfish. Let's get him back. Oh wow, it hit the water. Alright. Alright, I cast right back over to that down log and immediately got another green sunfish. Let's get this guy back in the water. Alright guys, so I just broke off the first little curly tail grub. So I'm going to go ahead and switch out to that little crankbait and see if I have any success in this pool with it. Oh! Oh, you gotta be... Oh no, I didn't tie the knot right. Oh no. Well, lost that first cast. Alright guys, so I've been fishing for about an hour now, and all I've gotten is those 2 green sunfish. I started off pretty strong, but ever since I lost that lure, I haven't been having much luck. There's some pools up here that I want to explore, so that's what I'm going to keep doing. But I probably have about 3 more hours to fish before I have to call it a day. Hopefully we can get on some more fish. Alright, this spot looks really good. Hopefully it produces. Oh, I got hit as soon as it hit the water. Oh, I'm getting hit. Oh, ooh. Oh, shoot. What a shiner. I don't know if that counts or not. I should count it. Oh. Oh, we did it. We got a rooster tail fish. I wasn't even paying attention, but we did it. Yeah. Alright guys, we have completed the challenge. It's got a rooster tail fish. Let's let him go. What is that? Is that crawfish? Just found a little tiny crayfish. I'll use him as bait. Alright guys, so technically we've completed the challenge. I found that little crayfish and I do have one hook with me, so I'm going to put on a split shot on that crayfish. I've never hooked up a live crayfish before, but hopefully I can get something. I'm interested to see how that works. I gotta find a deeper pool first, but that's what I'm about to do. Then I'm gonna call it a day. Oh, got another one on the... Yes, rooster tail. Alright, just got another bass on this rooster tail. Decided to give a rooster tail a few more casts before I switched to that crawfish. Glad I did, so let this guy go. Oh, I almost had another. I just drag a little bit. Oh! There's a fish on here. I didn't even know there was a fish on here, man. Tiny, tiny green sunfish on this rooster tail. Oh, fish on. Oh, jigging. Ooh, look at this green sunfish, man, it's so dark. He's jigging down there. Oh, there we go. Nice size green sunfish. Ooh, man. Alright, big old green sunfish, man. Almost the size of my hand. Let's let him go. Well guys, I accidentally dropped that crawfish right before I put it on, so that plan is not going to go, but we were able to actually complete this little challenge. Well, for the most part, I did lose that lure to start with, so I'll probably just end up making an episode fishing that. But anyways, I hope you guys are having a fantastic week. Subscribe if you haven't. Tight lines. Take care.